Hi there, my name is Jacob Brown and I'm going to be teaching you all how to install R on your computers. So I'm using a Windows and I'm going to use Google Chrome for my installation. And we're going to go to cran.r-project.org and you want to download R for whatever operating system you have. I have Windows, so you do this and you want to click either install R for the first time or base, either one, and then you're going to click download R 3.43 for Windows. This is for both 32 and 64-bit, it seems, so it doesn't matter what you're on, or if you don't know which one you have, either one should work. You're going to download it, you want to open it up. It's a very simple installation procedure. Once you complete your installation, you should get the regular R console, and it'll look exactly like this, and then we can get started. In R, objects are used to store information in an accessible manner. So we assign all sorts of values to objects, and they can be anything from survey answers or just a phone number. And on the other hand, we also have functions, and functions perform a defined sequence of actions. You could say if objects are the equivalent of nouns, then functions are the equivalent of verbs. Example of functions are creation of a sequence from one number to another number by a certain number, creation of a histogram, taking comparative means or the square root of a sequence of numbers. Thanks for watching. In the next videos, we'll start working with polysci data, learn about R scripts, and install RStudio. Thanks. Have a good one.